In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invert any chart on Tradingview. If you're someone who loves analyzing financial markets, spotting trends, and uncovering hidden patterns in price charts, then this tutorial is for you. Flipping a chart upside down might sound unusual, but it can help you view the data in a completely new way, challenging your perspective and revealing opportunities you might have missed. Tradingview is one of the best platforms for chart analysis, offering both free and paid accounts. And today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to invert any chart and get the most out of this powerful feature. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to www.tradingview.com. Tradingview is a robust platform where you can access and analyze charts for a wide variety of financial instruments, all in one place. If you don't already have an account, you'll find a link in the description below to sign up and start exploring the platform. Once you're on the website, log in to your Tradingview account. If you're already logged in, you can skip this step, but for those logging in for the first time, remember, Tradingview works seamlessly with both free and paid plans. So even if you're just starting out, you'll have access to the essential features you need. Now, to begin analyzing a specific asset, use the Products section on Tradingview's homepage. This is where you can search for the asset you're interested in, whether it's a stock, a forex pair, a cryptocurrency, or even an index. Simply type the name or ticker symbol of the asset into the search bar. This makes it easy to locate the exact chart you need without manually scrolling through endless options. After you've found your desired asset, click on it to load its detailed chart. This will bring up the price graph and all the interactive tools and options Tradingview has to offer. The chart is your workspace, so take a moment to get familiar with the layout because we'll be customizing it shortly. Next, look toward the bottom right corner of the chart page. Here you'll see the Settings gear icon. This is your go-to menu for controlling how your chart looks and behaves. It's where you can tweak visual settings, adjust scales, and more to suit your preferences. Click on the Settings gear icon to open the Customization menu. Inside this menu, you'll find a variety of options to personalize your chart's appearance. Among these options is one called Invert Scale. Selecting this option flips the entire price chart upside down. Why would you want to do this? Well, inverting the chart can give you a fresh perspective on price action. It's especially useful for spotting patterns like head and shoulders, double tops, or double bottoms that might not be immediately apparent when viewing the chart in its standard orientation. Once you've selected the Invert Scale option, you'll notice the chart updates in real time. Take a moment here to observe how the patterns and trends look different. This new perspective can help you identify opportunities or confirm existing patterns you may have missed. Now, if you need to invert the scale frequently or want a quicker way to toggle this feature, there's a handy keyboard shortcut for that. Simply press Alt+I on your keyboard, and the scale will invert instantly. This is a great time saver for those who like to experiment with different views during their analysis. As you explore the inverted chart, take your time to analyze how the patterns appear differently. You might notice that certain formations stand out more clearly in this view. This exercise is not just about flipping the chart, it's about challenging your own biases and seeing the market from a completely new angle. By doing so, you can uncover trends and insights that could make a big difference in your trading decisions. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to invert any chart on Tradingview. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, this feature can add a new dimension to your analysis and help you make more informed decisions. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.